Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the DDPAI Mini3 dashcam. In the box, you'll get a plastic crowbar, user manual, length 3 meter USB to micro cable, bracket, dual USB 2.1A car adapter, remote snap button, removable sticker, 3M sticker, and DDPAI Mini3 dashcam. The first thing you notice about the Mini3 is that the camera housing is smooth and cylindrical. Other dashcams are very square and bulky, so right out of the box, you know this is a different kind of camera. It's very sleek and feels like it belongs in the 21st century. The DDPAI Mini3 has 32GB of onboard storage, so there's no need to worry about changing microSD cards and keeping track of adapters. Now we'll unboxing the DDPAI Hardwire kit. Features intelligent power management ability. It will stop your car battery from descending below a certain battery level, preventing potential damage to your vehicle. The vehicle hardwire kit connected to a car battery or fuse box power can uninterruptedly supply power for dash camera for 24 hours. It can even supply power when the car is turned off. The way the dashcam attaches to your windshield is also unique. Instead of a suction cup or dash mount, the Mini3 has a specially designed bracket that you slide the camera module into. The mount goes behind your rearview mirror, so it is all but invisible to you while you drive. That's a big contrast from the other models we tested that must be put somewhere within your field of view.
Hello, Ding Ding Pie.
Another unusual feature is the ability to take still photography as you're driving. The dashcam comes with a nifty remote control that's shaped like an oversized bottle cap. If you see something you want to take a picture of, like a nice bit of scenery, push the remote's button and the camera takes an extremely high-quality snapshot for you. You can also set it to take up to 30 seconds of video. What really sets the Mini3 apart from other dashcams is its mobile app. The user manual instructs you to download the DDPAI app before you use the camera for the first time. Once it's on your phone and paired with your camera, the app tab contains all the tools you need to watch the live feed, control the camera, review footage, and adjust settings, all the things that make a car cam useful. The Mini3 by DDPAI is unique among the dashboard cams we've tested because its primary function is as a social media and photography device, rather than as a basic security camera for your car. The picture quality was the best among the car cams we reviewed and is by far the most stylish and discreet. What really makes it stand out is the mobile app, which adds a social media element that makes owning this device a lot of fun. If you're a road tripper, travel vlogger, or plugged-in social media user, then the DDPAI Mini3 is made for you. Not only is this dashcam stylish and discreet, it also captures beautiful photos and videos of your travels that are perfect for sharing or simply saving to revisit down the road. Now I leave you with some of the scenes I shot using DDPAI Mini3.
Oh.